Not interested. Two words every SDR dreads, yet you hear it every single day. But here's the truth. If you're still getting shut down with this objection, it's your fault. You're losing pipeline, you're losing paychecks, and probably your job too. You need to fix this now before it gets too late. Guys, my name is Neil. I'm your SaaS Sales Misfit coach. I have over a decade in SaaS with 5 years plus as a sales trainer, and I help SDRs smash quota and get promoted to AE as fast as possible. Now, a lot of you are asking if I have a course. It is in the pipeline, but I have in the meantime reopened slots for one-to-one coaching, and I've only got a few left. It is first come, first served. So if you're serious about turning things around now, click the calendar link below and book a free 10-minute consult with me to see if I can help you. Back to the video. Guys, here's why your prospects are cutting you off within seconds. You call, they answer, and before you even finish your opener, they're already halfway through not interested. The truth? You're failing to create instant value. You're leading with what you care about instead of what they need to hear. The solution for this is a game-changing framework I've put together, which you need to implement right now. Step 1, the personalized opener. Guys, please scrap your generic scripts. Start every call referencing something specific to the prospect. For example, hey Alex, saw on LinkedIn that you're expanding your sales team. How's the new onboarding process going? This immediately signals that you've done your homework, breaking down resistance and opening the door to a possible conversation. Step 2, you need to ask a disruptive question, and it has to be a provocative enough question tied directly to their business. For example, quick question, how many calls does it usually take your SDRs to book one solid meeting? This focuses the prospect on a problem they might not fully realize they have. Step 3, follow up with immediate insight. You need to give them immediate value with an insight or even a statistic. Did you know the industry standard is about 18 calls per meeting? That's crazy, right? We're helping teams to do it in just 6. I'm curious, how does that compare to your team right now? Boom. You've created genuine curiosity that hooks their interest instantly. So, here's what you need to start doing today. Number 1, personalization is mandatory. Start every call referencing a specific genuine piece of information about your prospect. It's going to land. Number 2, ask disruptive, value-driven questions. You have to focus on questions that reveal hidden problems or hidden pain points that your prospect hasn't fully considered. And number 3, immediate insight. Always bring a relevant insight or stat to the table. This provides immediate value and it gives you your best chance to further progress the conversation. Guys, implement this framework and you will see the transformation from constant rejection to consistent meeting. You've got the blueprint now, but there's one critical mistake that 95% of SDRs still make on their calls, and it destroys even the best openers. Fixing this is your next move. Miss it, and everything we just covered falls apart. Find out what it is and how to correct it immediately in my next video, titled Most SDRs Fail Because of This. Fix it before it's too late. Click here now because your quota depends on it.